The NIA court Manipur has remanded 3 accused to 10 days in judicial custody in connection with the firing incident that occurred at Moirang Kampu Sajek Upper Primary School polling station number 3/11, which left an elderly man injured. The trio were produced before NIA Special Judge Imphal East. The court ruled that prima facie evidence was established on the involvement of the trio in the case. As a result, they were remanded to judicial custody. The accused also filed separate bail objection petition, which will be heard on April 30th. Leichombam Jamson Singh, 34 years, son of late Arun of Thangweban Yumnam Laikai, Kumukcham Angamba, aged 32 years, son of late Kehesh Rajan of Sagolban Khamnam Lerak, and Nongthongbam Ratan, aged 47 years, son of late and Samungau of Paknung Awang Laikai. A .32 pistol along with 8 live ammunitions reportedly used in committing the crime was also submitted as exhibit in the court. The incident occurred on April 19 during the first phase Lok Sabha poll.